everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Oyakodon, chicken and egg cooked in soy sauce based broth, served over a hot bed of rice. Juicy, tasty and delicious. It's a very popular Japanese rice dish that we cook it at home very often. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. In this video, I'm going to double the ingredients to make 2 servings. You can make this dish from 1 serving. Mitsuba is to garnish, so you can use something green instead or just skip it. Slice the onion. Cut chicken thigh into small pieces. Chicken thigh without the skin is my favorite. Now let's make the Oyakodon sauce. You can use dashi powder to make dashi broth. Add pinch of dashi powder into hot water to make dashi broth. If you want to cook 1 serving each in a small frying pan, then make the sauce 1 serving each. Beat eggs in a bowl. You can use a small frying pan to cook 1 serving each, but here I will show you how to make 2 servings in a larger frying pan. Bring the sauce to a boil. Add onion slices. Add diced chicken. Then cover and cook for 5 minutes until the chicken is no longer pink. Pour in the beaten eggs. Add Mitsuba. Then cover and turn off the heat after a few seconds. Serve on the hot rice in a bowl. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
ご飯入れてあげます。お肉も食べて。少ないけど食べてたい。みんなも作ってください。バイバイ。
Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON.
OK バイバイ。OK バイバイ。いいよ。